Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make sweet corn soup. Okay, so for our sweet corn soup, this is the vegetarian kind of sweet corn soup. Now you can add chicken or anything to this base later on, okay? So for this you're going to need ginger, salt and pepper, use white pepper, then sweet corn, which is made in paste, and then whole corn. Then we have green onions, the bottom part, small sprig of celery, garlic, and this is the top part of the green onion, which is for garnish. All these measurements are at the description box below. Okay, we're going to start making a sweet corn soup. This is my pan. I've added some 4 tablespoons of olive oil. To this I'm going to add my scallions, and this is very finely chopped celery. So we can just saute this on high heat for maybe a minute. We cover it for it to get cooked real fast. Okay, to this I'm going to add my garlic. You don't want to brown the garlic too much. You just want the flavor to come into the soup really well. And I always like ginger in my soup. It's just so nice. It just clears your sinuses so well. And so we're going to saute this maybe for a minute or so. Okay, so now to this I'm going to add the sweet corn, which has been basted. So this adds the sweetness to this. Let's saute this for a little minute. Cook it a little bit, let the oil get absorbed into the corn. And let me cover it now. Okay, so now to this we're gonna add my corn. Now this corn is whole, so we're gonna add it with little water and some stock or just water. Okay, so this is completely, the base is vegetarian, so you can either use a veg broth, and so we are not making a chowder, it's going to be a soup, and we're going to thicken it with cornstarch. So let this cook, add enough water, how many cups you want to add. Now this is another 1 can of water. I'm going to add 2 cans of water, so then we can thicken this later. Let this come to a boil, maybe another 15 minutes or so. Okay, so now added 2 cups of water, the same amount of corn and the same amount of the sweet corn and the corn, that same amount of water I added. To this I'm going to add my salt and pepper. You gotta add only white pepper into this, because if you add black pepper it will show. So now we're going to add this and let this simmer for at least 15 minutes. Why? You want that corn to cook very well. Okay, so now I'm gonna let this just cover and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, so now this has been boiling for about 15 minutes, simmering, slow simmering, and I feel the corn has really cooked well, and I took out half of it to make some other soup with this same base. So different choices, different people. So now I'm going to thicken this with a slurry. This is not a corn chowder, so we're going to thicken this with a slurry of what you call cornstarch and water, and slowly mix this when it is boiling. There you go. See how fast it thickens, and that's all you got to put into this, and keep on stirring it so it thickens real fast. There you are. So our soup is ready now. gonna shut this off and ready to serve this soup. Okay, so time to serve this soup. A bowl is here, and what I'm gonna do is just spoon this. Beautiful, nice soup, nice aroma. Very hearty, very simple to make. Just spoon this nice. Here you are. And to this just add some nice scallions. Hearty scallions and the chili vinegar. Voila, this soup is ready. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!